In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show or hide this Google Chrome bookmarks bar. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Chrome and then click right here at the top right at these three dots and then head over to Settings. On Settings, at the left sidebar menu, we can easily find Appearance, and that's where we can easily find Show Bookmarks bar. By toggling it off, we can hide it, and by toggling it on, we can make it always visible right here. To add a new bookmark to this bar, we can just head over to some website. Then at the right side of address bar, we can find this star icon, and if we click on it and then click Done, it will add this bookmark to this bar. Then we can right click on it and select Edit. I prefer to delete a name for my bookmarks. As you can see here, I got just icons, so we can do so in the same way with that bookmark and then hit save. Now I can easily click right here to head over to saved bookmark. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.